2012 Cruze LTZ, turbocharged, front-wheel drive, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, temporary spare tire, automatic headlights, fog lamps, heated mirrors, power mirrors, intermittent wipers, variable speed intermittent wipers, AM/FM stereo, CD player, MP3 player, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, Bluetooth connection, bucket seats, keyless start, leather seats, heated front seat S, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, rear bench seat, auxiliary PWR outlet, floor mats, adjustable steering wheel, leather steering wheel audio controls, tire pressure monitor, trip computer, power windows, power door locks, keyless entry, engine immobilizer, remote engine start, cruise control, security system, climate control, upper carrot, rear defrost, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, driver vanity mirror, passenger vanity mirror, driver illuminated vanity mirror, passenger illuminated visor mirror, front reading lamps, ABS, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, front head airbag, rear head airbag, passenger airbag sensor, telematics, navigation from telematics, rear parking aid, child safety locks, emergency trunk release. Hawkins Chevrolet, where friend meets friend, is your price promise dealer. We have been here for 42 years and enjoy the reputation of completely satisfied customers. We provide lifetime free state inspection for any vehicle purchased at Hawkins Chevrolet.